So right now we have Typhoon, Chan-Hom, and you can see it's becoming better organized over the coming today. It's regaining Typhoon intensity according to both the Drake, TWC, and JMA, which both agree on a 65 knot intensity of this typhoon. You can see a CDO is starting to form now, and it hasn't fully marched its way around yet. The storm's quickly getting better organized, and likely, honestly, around 75-80 knots as we speak. It's looking pretty impressive, and I think rapid intensification is likely starting now. I mean, I'm honestly expecting this to be a major hurricane, to be around 100 knots in the next 12 hours. So just because I'm waiting for, even some, there have been some indications of maybe a warm spot trying to form eventually because of the rain forming in the CDO. I mean, there also might have been a dry spot earlier, or a very elongated eye that kind of went through the storm earlier, but overall the upper level alpha of Chan-Hom remains very impressive, and this is definitely nothing to balk at. You can see that the center's right where the kind of the vortex has it, because you have all these banding features below. These are very well defined. You have this good upper level alpha right here, and then you have surrounded by a forming CDO and deep convection within the CDO. And now we can get some microwave pictures. You can see the cores gradually better organized. It goes from right here to around right here. Now you can see it closer, and I'm expecting around 100 knots in about 12 hours. And probably around catchway force, 115 knots in 24 hours, and possibly the behavior to alpha is going to kind of depend on the eye wall replacement cycle and its timing. And then we have Typhoon Nangka, Nangka, not Nangka, Nangka, Typhoon Nangka. That's a little cough today. And you can see it's not the greatest typhoon, but you can see it's starting to be better. It's been better. It's got that unusual large structure that some models like the HWF was suggesting it might have. And you can see, so that's that look of a typical intense hurricane already. You can see the ice becoming more defined. The west side of the storm is a bit weak. And it's just been really intensified overnight. I mean, probably, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center has the 85. They typically lag somewhat with rapidly intensifying storms. This was probably 85 knots earlier. Now it's probably around 100 knots. Always very close to it. 95 100 knots is really debatable. I mean, it's probably a T, as you can see here, unless it's a new frame. So the only thing you can see a very warm eye around 10 degrees Celsius here. And in addition to the very warm eye, you can see a mostly complete rainbow. The ring's not fully complete. Only the light gray ring here is fully complete. But once the black and white ring fully completes itself, I think the system is a Cat 4 in a short order. And CDO slowly but surely smoothing now. Once it gets fully smooth, with the eye at 1, catchway 5 is probably doable. You can see microwave here is a very well large eye with a very excellent inner core. And you can see something that's going to put over the recommendation for most significant strengthening. Anyhow, that's it for today. No, it's not. There's also Invest 96C out there. And she's giving a 70% chance of opening within 2 days and 80% chance of opening within 5 days. It's probably going to become a depression tomorrow. Because it's slowly but surely consolidating. But now, that might be it for today. That's it for now, at least. I might have to do another video later today if these two systems keep progressing like they are right now. Anyhow, that's it for today. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy watching this. Bye. Bye.